are here in Jeddah Road, Kuwaiya, province of Kuwaiya. Umalis kasi ako sa Riyadh alas 5 ng umaga kasi kagabi tumawag sa akin yung manager kasi merong isang truck namin na nasiraan sa daan, kaya nirescue ko muna siya. Ito ngayon siya. Hello Rosan, say hi. What happened to your clutch?
I sent to Mudir
Your
to all videos.
all video.
Okay, this is road, Jeddah Riyadh road. But Riyadh Makkah Jeddah road is
Yeah.
international highway. All Saudi international highway is.
Yes.
Is recording?
Yeah, recording now. Yeah, your clutch now is worn out.
Yeah.
Damage. All your lining is worn out. So I will inspect and then I make a report and then I submit to my my company. Okay, I will start now.
This is Ulian.
Yeah, this is Ulayan. This is Scania truck, Scania PGRT G14, 410 horsepower. This truck. Now I start to inspect the clutch because the clutch is worn out. Okay, this window, this is the window for checking the clutch. So now I will I check the lining now. What happened? Oh, see guys, you know this the clutch lining now is damaged now. See the all asbestos is finished. Clutch lining is finished. See, this is the status of the clutch now, because this truck is not moved, starting but not moving. See guys, see this, that is the lining in the top side of the fork. So this is the fork, this is the clutch cover, and the lining is all finished. See? So now guys, I confirm the clutch is worn out. So we call for the lubed, the SATA, for bringing to Riyadh, because here and going to Riyadh is almost 200 kilometers. So now I make a report and then finish. See guys, I will check here in the instrument cluster the status of the clutch lining. We're here now here. See guys, clutch dash now is 0. So see, 0%. You see this this is 0% now. 0%. So means the clutch lining is worn out. Clutch lining is finished. So we are confirm the clutch lining is damaged now. Here, check here. Brake lining also is in the front right side. See guys, see this one is, this is the front, this is the rear, this is the rear, but this one is left side 96%, this one is right side is 0 now, and the rear 88 and 92. So the rear okay, and the left side okay, but in the right side is 0%. Also the brake pad, this pad is also worn out. Okay, so I will make a report and then I will go back to Riyadh again. Okay guys, bye bye. Nice, have a nice day.